clean up, make space.
See, a lot of people want God to be with them, but they're not with Him. And He's not going to intrude on your busy schedule. You got to make room for Him. He's a gentleman. Though He stands at the door and knocks, you got to let Him in.
Let him in. You don't wanna get stuck. Yeah, I had to take time, preparation, just to make it work. Yeah, you don't wanna get stuck. Clean up. You don't wanna get sucked by the vacuum of air with all the cringy bonds, so you let him in. I clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. I clean up, make space so I can let him in. Yeah, I clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. I clean up, make space so I can let him in. I know you're hurt, but you can't let him in. I know you're hurt and tired of falling sometime, but you can't let him in. I know you're hurt and tired of falling sometime, but you can't let him in. I know you're hurt and tired of falling sometime, but you can't let him in. Yeah, hero, take time, preparation, just to make it work. But I always knew that I had it in me. Yeah, I had to clean up, make space so I can let him in. I clean up, make space so I can let him in. Yeah, I clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in. Clean up, make space so I can let him in.